back. I'm so tired. Tea. I'm really tired. Willow, you good girl. Hi. I'm so sorry. Oh, she's so cute. I always wake up with a headache from my eyes, like eye strain. And I feel like if I went outside and stared at the sun, I'd probably die. My head would explode. I just filmed a story time and put it on TikTok. I just decided to film a story time. I think that's just how my brain works. First thing in the morning, I can just chat. I can just chat absolute shit first thing in the morning. I don't know what it is. Guys, do you ever have a dream? It's a skill set. Yeah, just filmed a story time and then posted it on TikTok. I've never spoken on TikTok before, but apparently I am now because I'm in a talkative mood. And also, I've got a slight double chin coming in. The food is worth the double chin, guys. We're bringing it in this summer, the double chin. I reckon I'll cut this out because I feel really insecure that you're looking at my double chin. I'm gonna wash my face and then we're gonna go outside. Hi guys. I shouldn't really get too much of the bathroom in because my mum doesn't like the bathroom being on record, but you're gonna see it anyway. Willow, do you want to go for walkies? Come on then. Come on, you crazy girl. Oh, really? Let's go. Come on then. Oh my God, it's a beautiful day. Every morning my dad walks the dog, but he's not here to walk Willow this morning. Where's Dad? The funny thing is she doesn't listen to anyone but my dad. So if she was to just run off, she probably wouldn't listen to me if I was like, get back here. Willow, show me the way. She's showing me the way. Usually there's cows and they say good morning to the cows, but Willow, there's no cows today. You have no friends. Oh, it's okay. I'm sure they'll be there soon. You can be my friend instead. You can be my friend. Come on then. This is my bonsai tree. We're gonna make some breakfast. And for breakfast, I'm having eggs. Had my breakfast. Look how burnt I am. Oh my God. Oh Lord. I am burnt. Tan though. This is what I'm wearing today. Just some hippie trousers. There's a few things that I want to get done today. I want to study. I want to get to the gym. I want to do some painting. And I need to sort out my caravan. Hence why I've woken up so early. So then I can get all of these things done. The little puppy. She's so happy she went out on a run this morning. She's just not grumpy with me. I think she loves me. But I think she's wondering where her parents are. Because they're not in. We have an owl. Trey, what's up, yo? I think Dad fed you this morning, didn't he? Because he hasn't said to me about feeding you yet, so. Mum said I have to open the windows for you. But you can't jump out of them. Okay? So if you jump out, I'm screwed. I've opened the window for you, Dre. This isn't his room, by the way. It's just where he's staying because he's a baby. How did you sleep? Don't love my toes. You're just adorable. Yeah, we can hold hands. No? He really doesn't like this camera. I picked it up again. He's staring dead at it. I might leave him alone, to be honest. So I'm going to get the longest part of the day over with, and that's studying. And I really don't want to do it right now because the sun is starting to show itself, but we need to get it done because otherwise I'm not going to get my qualifications and then I will be sad. I don't have a specific place that I study. I just study at my dining table. I want to go into a cafe and study, but I just get too nosy and start watching people all day. So I've tried that before. The best place is the dining table at the moment for me. But yeah, I'm going to study for a bit and then I'll get back to you guys after I've done some studying. Then we can also have some fun and just chat and hang out after I've done some studying. After I've done studying, I'll be allowed out. After I've done my homework. We let Dre out. Come on, Dre. Yo! Yo! Whoa! So it's a little while later. It's 1:30, and I don't know about you guys, but I have this weird fear about running out of time, and I feel like when it's 1:30, it's basically the end of the day. And now I don't feel productive because I feel like it's the end of the day and I can't do anything more productive. But it's 1:30. But then by the time it's 1:30, it's 2:30. When it's 2:30, it's 3, and then it's 4, and then 4 is like the end of the day. And what is there to do at the end of the day? Do you know what I mean? I just get this little like weird feeling that now I can't do anything because it's the end of the day. But it's not the end of the day. I'm so hungry now. I don't get why I'm so... I'm gonna do a glow up video with me. Part of the glow up video that I want to film, I'm gonna get a back like thing. You know, the little restrainer thing? Because why is this my posture? Why is this... I feel like I'm not that far away from that. I'm not that close to... I don't even know how it's supposed to be anymore. It's got to be like this, right? That's normal posture. It just doesn't feel like normal posture because I don't have normal posture. Putting a jumper on. Hopefully it'll hide my posture. I don't think it's my biggest problem at the moment, my posture, but I'm going to get something to help it. Because if it carries on going the way that it's going. I look like I'm slumping. I look like I'm slumping. I'm wearing hippie trousers, like baggy trousers and a baggy jumper. Now I don't feel productive. I feel like I should just go to bed. I'm not going to go to bed because I've got loads to do. One of those things is eat Twiglets. Hello guys, welcome to my quite messy caravan. Unfortunately, I haven't been in here that much, and the last time I was in here, as you can see from the beer bottles, I had a party with all my friends. My duvet is there, and everything else is just clothes and art and my stuff. I don't know where to start. If you think this is the worst part of my caravan, just wait till you go in my bathroom. Fuck, sorry. You guys got a headache? I need to figure out what to do with half of this stuff, and I have no idea what to do. I have too much stuff. So I need to get this place cleaned up. You're gonna help me. I'm forcing you to help me. It's actually been quite a sad time for a lot of my plants because if I'm not at home, I'm in town, living in town. So sometimes I'm in this caravan and then I'm not for like a week. So this ends up happening. I did have a plant called Merrin. She lasted about 3 years. She died this year. I'm not a bad plant mum. I'm not. I've taken care of plants for a few years. It's just a little bit bad luck. I convinced someone that I had a mouse living in and that I put tubes all round the outside of my caravan, and then the mouse would just run around, and they actually believed it, and then they didn't believe it 5 seconds later because they knew I was lying. Good at lying about that sort of stuff. I haven't gone under these benches since moving in to this caravan. I don't know what's under there. I've been told that there's kettles and blankets and all the necessities for when you go camping and go on holiday, but I haven't gone under there yet. Big reveal, guys. It's just blankets. That's such a cute blanket. I'm taking it. We're gonna sort out all of this. I didn't sign up for this. My tactic is all the clothes that I'm gonna wear for summer, I'm gonna get out and put into one bag. All the clothes that I'm not gonna wear because they're winter clothes, I'm gonna put them in the winter bag. I have a clothing rail, which obviously doesn't fit in here. obviously because I live on a farm, there's loads of hay and grass in here, so I should probably hoover it more often. I don't. That doesn't sound very good. The hoover never wants to work when I want it to work. It's not working. So there's not really much I can do about it, because I don't know what the problem is. There's a hole in my hippie trousers. I'm showing my bum to everyone. I like where I'm at with my caravan. Everything's in the places that it needs to be. I put all my hats and scarves in there. I put all my extra clothes underneath the little things. But yeah, I have all this space now. So obviously it still looks a bit messy, but it's not as bad as what it was, guys. I'm really happy with my caravan. I'm really happy that I spent the time today to do my caravan. Okay, I'm done doing my caravan. It's stressing me out that I can't do more. I want decorations. Let's get out of here before I go insane. Hi. I actually really struggled to do anything with that. I started doing a butterfly, it looked okay, and then I started adding black paint onto it. It fucked it up. I got paint everywhere. I just put paint everywhere in the end. As you can see, I'll just figure out something really cool for this. I don't think I'm gonna find anything cool. So my hands look like this. It's great. I made some really cool artwork. Do you want to see? I'm gonna sit by my door and tan a little bit more because, oh my gosh, I'm tanning already and I can see it. I'm so excited. I don't know what I'm gonna do for the next however long I've got left of this day. But I've been painting. Welcome to my kitchen. It's not my kitchen, it's my parents' kitchen, but it's a kitchen. We're gonna make some sort of pasta. I'm gonna chop up some broccoli. Put this on here, so don't bang your head.